Dr. Shobha Daniel, and I've been given the privilege of being the MOC for today's evening. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all today to celebrate the achievement of women, the Unstoppable Forces Vocational Excellence Award Ceremony. Thus, on this International Day, we are here to recognize the significance of women in our lives and in our society and inspire them for the great future. We are moving towards an acceleration time in the history where the world recognizes her absence and celebrates her glorious presence, isn't it? Yes? Yes. Once again, I welcome you all and look forward for a productive and a fulfilling day. Thank you. Now let us give a head start to our program. I would like to request the following dignitaries to step forward for the lighting of the lamp.
Honorable dignitaries, esteemed guests, respected Rotarians and extraordinary women we celebrate today. A very warm welcome to the magnificent event, an event dedicated to excellence, perseverance and the unstoppable spirit of womanhood. It is not often that we gather in such esteemed company where every individual present is a beacon of change, a symbol of resilience and a testament to the boundless potential of human endeavor. Today at the Rotary Vocational Excellence Award, we stand not just as spectators but as admirers of the incredible journey that have led these extraordinary women to the stage. Each of them, featured in the inspiring book Unstoppable, has charted a course of courage, determination and service, leaving behind a legacy that will inspire generations to come. Their success is not merely personal, it is triumph for the society. It is proof that when talent meets perseverance and when passion meets purpose, the world takes notice. These women are not just achievers, they are architects of change, redefining boundaries, breaking stereotypes, and lighting the way for others to follow. To make this day more special, we have some of the most distinguished personalities whose presence elevate the celebration to occasion of profound significance. Let us welcome them. I would like to, I request First Lady Rekha Nair to offer flowers to our District Governor, Rotarian Dinesh Mehta ji. Welcome to our esteemed District First Lady. Your grace and support uplift our Rotary family. Now I request Rotarian Surekha Sadlapur to offer flowers to Ms. Dolly Thakur, an author, artist and filmmaker whose creativity and storytelling continue to inspire us. Your presence has reaffirmed the importance of recognizing and celebrating vocational excellence and service. At the heart of the celebration is the visionary Rotarian Manisha Kondaskar and Rotarian Surekha Sadlapur, whose Unstoppable has beautifully captured the inspiring stories of these trailblazers. And I would also like to thank my club member and Rotarian Shobha Daniel. Rotary stands for service above self, and today, we celebrate those who have exemplified the ethos through their actions and their work and their lives. As we honor our awardees, let us remember recognition is not just about past achievement, it is about future that we continue to build. May these awards serve as beacon of encouragement, igniting new aspirations and inspiring greater heights. Congratulations to each and one of our unstoppable women. May your journey continue to inspire, transform, and leave a mark to the world. Thank you so much.
Without her, today's event would have not been possible. She is none other than Manisha Kondaskar. To give the purpose of day and introduction of the book, let us give a great round of applause.
Okay.
Thank you, Shobha. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and a galaxy of stars in the audience, invited guests and well-wishers. Congratulations and welcome to the celebrations of our first book, Unstoppable, The Woman Who Paved the Way. Through this book, many portals of progress for all of us together have been opened. One organization in a wheel has taught me the true meaning of friendship and service to mankind, whereas another international service organization, Rotary, has taught me service above self, and one who serves the best profits the most. Whereas one social and political party, Shiv Sena, has taught me to be rooted to ground and take each and everyone together as a family, whether weak or strong, and support everyone with a staunch belief in togetherness as a common man. I know all these women of substance for past 35 years of my life, and few have come into my life recently. But I have worked with them or known them through their work. I wish to put all of them together in one book and bond them together and know each other more closely. President Girish Nayak, Dr. Shivanand Sadlapur, he will join us. Rotarian Kumar Deshpande, Rotarian Smriti Khadilkar, and my beloved friend, Rotarian Surekha Sadlapur, pushed me further to make this wish come true. In this endeavor, Rotarian Surekha walked along with me as a strong collaborator, reminding me always about the positive results and outcome of our efforts. Our pillar of success were District Governor Dinesh Mehta, a strong and firm man of vision who thinks 360 degrees, who stood before us and allowed us to complete the book as a venture of impact academic skill development. Further, we did not stop at completing the book, but released it at the Rotary Conference of District 3141 and 3142 at Geo Convention Center on 1st of March. Thanks to our District Governor, Dinesh Ji. Don't be afraid to be unique or speak your mind, because that's what makes you different from everyone else. This is for your Dinesh Ji, a fearless and unique person. This is for you. Thank you so much, Dinesh Ji, for being with us in this endeavor throughout. Today we are grateful to Shri Rajan Pendurkar of Gaurang Publications for delivering this book in merely 20 days. You all know when we started, how we collected everyone's biodata, how the content writer spoke to you, how repeatedly in the middle of the night, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, I used to send you messages, and we did the book, but we did it. It was all because of your love and affection that you did not mind me sending you messages at all difficult hours. I am grateful to my mother, Srimati Kala Tikle, who inculcated in me the love for paper and pen, which inspired me to think of this book compiling. My father, late Shri Madhukar Tikle, my husband, late Rotarian Ajit Kondaskar, my guru, Shri Anand Dighe Sahib, who encouraged my projects of showing path to women, children and youth. Past 25 years dedicatedly working from the platform of Shiv Sena as a social activist, I have been guided by ex-Chief Minister, DCM Shri Eknath Ji Shinde Sahib, Member of Parliament, Shri Naresh Maske Sahib, and Dr. Neelam Tai Gore, Deputy Chairperson, Maharashtra Legislative Council. I thank Ms. Dolly Thakur from the bottom of my heart for giving us the foreword for our book, Unstoppable, The Woman Who Paved the Way. Dolly ji has always been my idol since my college days. Madam, Dolly ji ke liye hai, she inspires others, leads by example, and uses her voice to create positive change. And that's Dolly Thakur I know for years, a perfect woman of substance.
Yes.
Dipali has not yet come, but still, I thank Dipali ji for sharing our happiness, and she'll join us soon, being with us in this festival of celebration of womanhood, today on the eve of International Women's Day. Last but not the least, I mention my beloved daughter Shivani, with whom I discuss all my thoughts before putting them in action to understand the thought process of today's youth. I am grateful and thank all these 54 women of substance, 55 women who contributed towards this book wholeheartedly. Hence, we call this book as our book and our celebration. Thank you, President Girish Nair, for standing rock solid behind this venture and felicitating all the women present in the book and honoring them with the Rotary's prestigious ROVEX Awards for Vocational Excellence. We thank the trustees of Pratibimba Foundation to be in this awards function jointly with Rotary Club of Amara Thane to make a dream come true. People will forget what you said. They will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. And that is for you, Girish. You will always be remembered for your gesture by all of us. Maybe this is for the first time ever in the history of Rotary District 3142 or Rotary International that 55 women are conferred upon with ROVEX Awards in one day.
Yes.
DG Dinesh ji and all my 55 women of substance have created history today, to be remembered and cherished for a long time. I have grown a lot throughout the journey of this book. I thank each and everyone who has supported this event to happen with folded hands. Looking forward for the second edition soon. Together we rise, women supporting women. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, for the launch of your book. It is a fantastic accomplishment and it's truly inspiring and commendable. So, and this is truly awesome. A big round of applause for that. Now, I would like to invite Rotarian Surekha Santlapur to the podium to announce the architects of this event.
Good afternoon. On behalf of the editors, it is now time to recognize. It is now time to recognize and appreciate the dedicated individual working tirelessly behind the scenes. I heartful thank you to our pillars, Mr. Girish Nair, Mr. Kumar Deshpande, and Mrs. Smriti. So, Mr. Girish Nair. Thank you, Girish. Maybe someday for I request Kumar and Smriti A special note to gratitude goes to another key pillar, Dr. Shivanand Sadlapur. Although he couldn't be present today, but for professional reasons. So I will call now the special thank you to Mrs. Shivani Kondaskar. Please come on the stage. Sincere appreciation of Pratibha Foundation, Pratibha Foundation and Impact Academy School Development for this unwavering support to making this endeavor possible. A profound thank you to the esteemed sponsors, Mr. Heram. Please come on the stage. Sri Ganpat Patil. Mrs. Sunita Jain, Mrs. Neha Nimbakar, Mrs. Swapnil Bhalkande, Uday Bhagwatji, please come on this stage. Mr. Nilesh Daifule-ji. Uday. Mr. Uday Bhagwatji, please come on this stage. Publishing for this creative visionary support to publishing this book. Thank you all.
Thank you, Smrika. Now I would like to invite President Girish Nair to introduce our
our District Governor Rotarian Dinesh Mehta ji doesn't require any introduction. That's nice. But you know, it's customary. So, can I ask Rotarian Gauri Shankar ji to play the audio, the most simplest thing to introduce?
Mahatma Gandhi famously said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." Dinesh began his professional life as a teacher and later ventured into setting up a trading unit in iron and steel. He rapidly grew into a major steel billets manufacturer and a flat steel importer. Dinesh was invited to join the Rotary Club of Thane Lake City in 2001-2002. He became president in 2007-2008 and set several benchmarks. Highest ever membership growth. Highest ever donation to the Rotary Foundation. First ever matching grant for constructing a check dam near Bhiwandi. He led the highly impactful global grant project at Mahavir Jain Hospital in Thane in collaboration with TMC and GITO to establish a diagnostic and ophthalmic center. He provided operation theatre equipment and assisted the Rotary Club of Thane in setting up a dialysis center in the same hospital. Dinesh was instrumental in establishing the PICU at Mahavir Jain Hospital with the assistance of PRID Ashok Mahajan. Dinesh has served as Assistant Governor 2012-13, District Secretary 2015-16, Chief Coordinator 2017-18, and Avenue Chair TRF Support, where he raised the bar and collected $1.14 million in donations to the Rotary Foundation. With this donation, RID 3142 ranked 29th among the 540 districts in the Rotary world. In the same year, Dinesh's parent club, the Rotary Club of Thane Lake City, contributed more than $400,000 to the Rotary Foundation and was ranked number 3 in India and number 11 in the Rotary world. Dinesh also served as a convener for DTA, PREPEX, DTTS, CSR Conclave, and numerous TRF seminars. Dinesh was the district coordinator for 5 years for the Rotary Leadership Institute. Dinesh received the RI Club Builder Award in 2015-2016 and was bestowed with the Rotary District Service Award on 4 occasions. He is the recipient of Rotary Foundation's second highest award, Citation for Meritorious Service from the Rotary Foundation. He has been bestowed the Frontline Warriors Award from the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Bhagat Singh Koshyari. He is a major donor, Paul Harris Society member, and a benefactor to the Rotary Foundation. Dinesh's family members are all Paul Harris fellows. Dinesh's spouse Jyoti was a charter president of the Inner Wheel Club and a member of the Rotary Club of Thane Lake City. His elder daughter, Kritika, has completed her studies in medicine and is now pursuing higher studies in cardiac surgery. His younger daughter, Bhavika, has completed her LLB and a master's in entertainment law from London and is currently practicing in Dubai. His son, Vansh, has completed his bachelor's in management studies and joined the Dubai family business. Here we present a man for all seasons, a friend of friends, a go-getter, a thorough gentleman, District Governor 2024-2025 Rotarian, Dinesh Mehta.
First of all, my thanks to the awesome President Girish, who is doing lot of projects but never been in the limelight. बोलते हैं चुपके से. I think a number of projects I was the chief guest over there in the Amara. Thank you, my dear. Thank you very much. And friends, dignitaries on and off the dais, awardees, Rotarians, and invited guests. Good evening to all of you. It is an absolute honor for me to be present here for today to give the Vocational Excellence Award to 54 women. So that only that the lady, that the passport Manisha Kaluska, she can do these other different projects, different things, all out of the box thinking. The cookery competition, or maybe you have to take to the Rotarian millets here, the cookery competition for the millets, and she has taken the Rotarians or others to the Baramati for the vocational training. So she can only think about that. So please give a big hand to her. And Sulika, thank you, Sulika, thank you very much for taking this initiative. Thank you. And please convey my regards to your husband also. Friends, as a Rotary District Governor, I have shall I, if everybody is settled? Friends, as a Rotary District Governor, I have had the opportunity to witness firsthand the power of service, resilience, and leadership. But today, I am in the presence of women who truly embody the spirit of being unstoppable women who have broken barriers, shattered stereotypes, and pave the way for future generations. Each of you have faced challenges that could have halted your progress, but instead you choose to rise. You turned obstacles into opportunities, pain the power, and dreams into reality. Your stories are not just inspiration. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Thanks for coming. And on behalf of Rotary District 3142, I welcome our own Member of Parliament from our constituency, Dinesh Maske. So today we are going, आज हम लोग यहाँ पे 54 women's को vocational excellence award दे रहे हैं. Those has done excellence in their respective fields. So friends, Rotary believe in empowering individuals to create lasting change. Our commitment to diversity, equity and inclusion aligns perfectly with the achievements we celebrate today. Through our various initiatives, be it supporting education, promoting economic opportunities or empowering women's entrepreneurs, we continue to create a world where talent and determination define success, not gender or circumstances. As we applaud these 54 remarkable women, let us also remind ourselves that recognition is not the destination, it is just another milestone. May this honor serve as a catalyst for even greater impact, encouraging more women to step forward, lead fearlessly and shape the future. To the awardees, you are not just role models, you are trailblazers, leaders and change makers. And to the organizers and authors of Unstoppable, thank you for shining a light of this inspiring journey and giving the world stories that needs to be heard. Let us continue to support, uplift and empower, because when women rise, community prosper and the world becomes a better place to live. Congratulations to all the Unstoppable Women of 2025 and thank you very much President Girish, Project Chair Sulekha and our own Manisha Tai for inviting me and giving me the opportunity to be in touch with all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dinesh ji. Now I would like to invite our President Girish Nair to felicitate our Honorable MP, Shri Naresh Maske sir.
It is with great pride and honor that I introduce a distinguished leader, a visionary and a dedicated public servant, our esteemed guest for today, Honorable Member of Parliament Shri Naresh Maske ji. Shri Naresh Maske ji is a dynamic person, politician who has significantly contributed to the development progress of Thane. His journey in public service began as a corporator in Thane Municipal Corporation, where he worked tirelessly to improve civic amenities. Racing through the ranks his unwavering commitment, he later served as mayor of Thane, spearheading numerous initiatives that uplifted the city's infrastructure, public services and community welfare. Today, as a Member of Parliament, Shri Naresh Maske ji represents the voice of people at the national level, advocating for policies that drive growth, social equity and prosperity. His leadership is characterized by a strong connect with people, a proactive approach to governance and an unshakable dedication to progress. Beyond politics, he is deeply engaged in various community building efforts, championing causes that empower individuals and strengthen society as a whole. His presence here today exemplifies his commitment to recognizing and celebrating excellence across all spheres of life. Rotary Club of Amara is privileged to have such an inspiring leader with us this evening. Let us extend a warm welcome to Honorable Member of Parliament Shri Naresh Maske ji. Sir, the dais is for you for blessings.
आज या ठिकाणी रोटरी क्लब आणि त्या माध्यमातून मनीषा कुंडस्कर आणि या सर्व मंडळींनी किती 55 विविध क्षेत्रामध्ये काम करणाऱ्या, मी स्त्री नाही म्हणत, महिला म्हणतो, स्त्री म्हटलं की थोडंसं असं, आज सत्कार या ठिकाणी आयोजित केलेला आहे. दीपाली सय्यद मॅडम या कार्यक्रमाकरता उपस्थित आहेत. मराठी, हिंदी, फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज असू द्या, समाजसेवा या क्षेत्रामध्ये शिखर गाठलेलं आहे त्यांनी. आणि सर्व उपस्थित या महिला या समोर उभ्या बसलेल्या आहेत, त्यातल्या बऱ्याचशा जणांना मी ओळखतो. रोटरी क्लब आणि या माध्यमातून विविध सामाजिक आणि सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमांमध्ये आपण सर्व उपस्थित असता, या समाजामध्ये आपण काम करत असता, स्वतःचा परिवार सांभाळून आपण सर्व मंडळी काम करत असता. आम्ही जेव्हा काम करत असतो समाजाचं, त्यावेळी आमची प्रत्येकाची इच्छा असते, जेव्हा आम्ही सुरुवात केली तेव्हा मग नगरसेवक व्हायचं असतं. नगरसेवक झाल्यानंतर आपके बारे में नहीं बोल रहे हैं. नगरसेवक झाल्यानंतर मग इच्छा असते की मला काहीतरी या महानगरपालिकेत मोठं पद मिळावं, महापौर व्हावं, सभागृह नेता व्हावं. ते काम करत असताना असं वाटतं की आता मला आमदार व्हायला पाहिजे, खासदार व्हायला पाहिजे, अशी इच्छा मनात ठेवून आम्ही सर्व मंडळी काम करत असतो. परंतु आपण जेव्हा काम करता तेव्हा खऱ्या अर्थाने स्वतः काहीतरी व्हायचंय, राजकीय गोल मला काहीतरी घ्यायचं आहे, काही उद्दिष्ट ठेवून आपण काम करत नाही. त्यामुळे आपल्या कामाला फार मोठं महत्त्व आहे. खऱ्या अर्थाने ज्या समाजामध्ये आपण राहतो, खऱ्या अर्थाने ज्या समाजामध्ये आपण राहतो त्या समाजासाठी प्रामाणिकपणे आपण काम करत असता. रोटरी क्लबच्या आता मला खाली जेव्हा मी येत होतो तेव्हा मला एक जण मला तर मला म्हणे आजकाल सगळ्या रोटरी क्लबच्या कार्यक्रमांमध्ये नरेश मस्के दिसतो. मी त्यांना म्हणालो की जसा दरवर्षी गणपती येतो तसा सगळ्या रोटरी क्लबच्या कार्यक्रमांमध्ये नरेश मस्के येणार. कारण आपण समाजामध्ये काम करत असं आमचं बरंचसं काम तुम्ही कमी करा. त्यांनी मला आता सांगितलं की आत्ता मी पातळीपाडा डोंगरीपाड्यामध्ये आत्ता आम्ही कॅन्सर डिटेक्शनचा कॅम्प लावला. मोठं काम आहे. स्लम मध्ये आपण तो कॅम्प लावला. एक सामाजिक हेतू ठेवून या समाजामध्ये भविष्यामध्ये येणाऱ्या काही अडचणी असतील त्या सोडवण्याच्या दृष्टीने आपण काम करत असता. आता मध्यंतरी मला आमचे नवी मुंबईतले रोटरी क्लबवाले आले आणि त्यांनी मला लगेच ऑनररी मेंबर वगैरे केलं. ते केलं तसं लगेच आमचे ठाण्यातली लोक आली. त्यांनी एका कार्यक्रमाला बोलवलं. त्यांनी त्यांची पिन लावली. मला मीराबाईंच्या बसल्याने लगेच सांगितलं तुम्ही या. मी बोललो यापुढे जायचं सगळ्यांना सगळीकडे रोटरी क्लबच्या बॅच लावून मला जावं लागेल. अशा खूप चांगलं काम आपण करत असता. आज तुम्ही तुमचा सत्कार घेण्याकरता आलेला आणि मला या ठिकाणी आपण बोलवलं त्याबद्दल मी कोंडसकर आणि या सर्व मंडळींचा मी आभार मानतो. मी केवळ आपण सर्व कर्तृत्ववान स्त्री आहेत. तुमच्याकरता एक मराठी कविता आपल्याकरता एक करतो. ती आहे तेजाची ज्योत, ती आहे तेजाची ज्योत, स्वप्नांना ती देते नव्याने रूप, कर्तृत्वाने गाठते शिखर, तरी राहते ती मृदू स्वरूप. म्हणजे आपण शिखर गाठलेले आहे प्रत्येकाने आणि त्याशिवाय तुमचा सत्कार नाही या ठिकाणी ठेवला. म्हणजे उगाचच कोणाला तरी उचलायचे 55 नावं काढायची आहेत आणि ती नावं कोणतरी कोंडसकरांची भाची, कोंडसकरांची पुतणी अशी ती नावं नाहीये. त्यामुळे आपण हा शिखर गाठलेला आहे म्हणून आपला या ठिकाणी सत्कार होतोय. ती लेखिका, ती वैद्य, लेखिका आहेत आपल्याकडे परत मॅडम तिकडे बसलेल्या आहेत. ती लेखिका, ती वैद्य, ती वैज्ञानिक, ती शिक्षिका. ती लेखिका, ती वैद्य, ती वैज्ञानिक, ती शिक्षिका, तिच्या बुद्धीची दुनिया दिवाणी, तिच्या बुद्धीची दुनिया दिवाणी, तिच्या कर्तृत्वाची नाहीशी सीमा. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वाला कुठेच सीमा नाही आहे की आमचं तरी ठीक आहे, काय करायचं असेल तर पक्षाची पॉलिसी आहे का, मग पक्षाचं तत्व काय, मग त्याच्या बाहेर आम्हाला जायचं आहे का. पण तुम्हाला कुठलीच सीमा नाही आहे. मनाला वाटेल त्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही प्रगट होऊ शकता, मनाला वाटेल त्या पद्धतीने तुम्ही काम करू शकता. हे तुमचं वेगळेपण आहे. सत्कार तिचा, सन्मान तिचा, सत्कार तिचा, सन्मान तिचा, तिच्या परिश्रमांचा मान राखा, तिच्या परिश्रमांचा मान राखा. कर्तृत्ववान स्त्रियांना वंदन करू, तिच्या संघर्षाला उजाळा देऊ, तिच्या संघर्षाला उजाळा देऊ. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद. जय.
Thank you very much, Maske sir. Maske sir is a hard-working man of commitment who adds values to others' lives and eventually the world. This is what we know Maske sir in our circle of Shiv Sena. Anytime you call him, he is always ready to help. Even in the middle of the night you call him and he will arrange things for you. And he is the one who will go to the root, go to the grassroots level to ask and inquire about each and every Karyakarta who works for the Shiv Sena platform. Thank you very much, sir, that you are here with us today. He has, but to tell all of the Rotarians who are here, he has been groomed by Rotary because in his youth he has been a Rotractor. And if everyone remembers, the first check dam ever Rotary has built, Madhusagar, that was through Rotary Club of Thane Hills. He was very much instrumental in doing that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I would like to invite Rotarian Mittal Sangraj Kar to the podium to call the first set of awardees for felicitation. Invite all the awardees, graceful women, to come to the stage for a group photograph. I'll ask the DJ to play a mind music. Rotarian Gauri Shankar, a mind music. I request all the awardees to come on the stage.
Achievement and inspiring journey of incredible 55 women featured in the book Unstoppable. The woman who paved the way and made a difference. Let's come together to applaud their success and make this evening truly special. The stage is set. The audience is eager. So let's call upon on the stage with a huge round of applause our editor of the book, who does not require any kind of introduction, Manisha Kondaskar. We are privileged to honor Manisha Kondaskar for her remarkable contribution in design, innovations and entrepreneurship. Her expertise in floral artistry and business leadership has set new benchmarks in creativity and excellence. A visionary and change maker, she continues to inspire with her dedication to education and community service. Her impact is a testament to the power of passion and perseverance in shaping a better future. We should say unstoppable Manisha. Unstoppable Manisha! We welcome our esteemed editor, whose efforts and hard work has brought this book to life. The dashing personality, none other than Surekha Sadlapur. Congratulations, ma'am. Now I would like to call upon on stage Rajeshri Ahir. We are privileged to felicitate Rajeshri for her remarkable contributions to education, community, leadership and social service. Her dedication to shaping young minds and uplifting society is truly inspiring. She is President-elect of Rotary Club of Amara Thane. For her pioneering contributions to Vastu Shastra and holistic healing, her dedication to blending ancient wisdom with modern solutions continues to inspire many. We are privileged to honor Dr. Sandhya Bhatt for her unwavering dedications to healthcare and community service. Her inspiring contributions as a healer and leader continue to make a profound impact. We are honored to felicitate Sushma Bhatt for her outstanding contributions to corporate governance and social responsibility. Her dedication to women empowerment and community development is truly inspiring. We are proud to felicitate Nivedita, a true trailblazer in science and leadership. Her groundbreaking innovations and dedication. We are honored to felicitate Aarti Chauhan, a beacon of hope and empowerment. Her relentless dedication to mental health and women's rehabilitation is truly inspiring. Aarti Chauhan. And community service. Her unwavering commitment to healthcare has been a beacon of hope for thousands.
जो साथ में जो हमारे खास थे कर गए अपनी बात किनारे गरमाजी सारे साथ में गैर हो भी जाए तो खुद ही तो पतवार बन जो छोटी सी हर एक रहे.
Without further ado, let's welcome Dr. Shobha Daniel to inspire us. We are honored to felicitate Dr. Shobha for her remarkable contribution to education. Her dedication and vision have transformed lives, making quality learning a joyful experience for countless students.
अंबर सीना सीना याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी न जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों जब जिंदगी है एक ही दो बार सोचना क्यों मैं मरता क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है मैं बनना क्यों मुझे रास्ता बनना है मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है.
It's an honor to welcome Shilpakala Deshpande. We are honored to felicitate Shilpakala Deshpande for her outstanding leadership in technology and delivery excellence. Her contribution to innovation and quality assurance continue to shape the future of digital transformation. Leena Dande. We are proud to felicitate Dr. Leena Dande for her outstanding contribution to healthcare and social service. Her dedication to physiotherapy and community well-being continues to inspire and uplift many lives. Let's give a warm welcome to Shilpa Donde. We are honored to felicitate Shilpa Donde for her remarkable journey of resilience, creativity and empowerment. Her contributions to entrepreneurship and social service continue to inspire generations of women. Next, I would like to call upon on stage Manjari Garag. I request Okay, we are privileged to honor Manjari for her extraordinary contributions to pharmacy and public health. Her dedication to education, awareness and global healthcare advocacy is truly inspiring. Let's give a warm welcome to Vasanthi Kukani. We are honored to felicitate Vasanthi Kukani for her remarkable contributions to education, performing arts and social service. Her dedication and achievements continue to inspire generations. privileged to honor Radhika Gupte for her unwavering dedications to education, social welfare and empowerment. Her inspiring journey continues to uplift lives and create meaningful change. Visionary leadership in education and unwavering dedication to empowering young minds. Her resilience and passion continue to inspire generations.
हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर करिया हो बार बार आशा है तूफानों को छीन के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशा है
इकडे बघा स्माइल द्या
for her visionary leadership in wealth management and real estate. Her dedication and sharp business acumen continue to inspire and empower many.
I would like to invite Rotarian Gauri Shankar to introduce our guest, Mr. B. Sainath, the Director of Region Group.
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a fantabulous time. So Mr. Sainath's story and journey cannot be said in just a minute's time, but I will try my best. So Mr. Sainath is the Group Director at L. Sanghani Group, overseeing the sales, service and marketing operations for major automotive brands like MG, Honda, Toyota, Skoda and Tata. With his deep expertise in data analytics, he has played a pivotal role in driving the group's success. A key pillar of L. Sanghani Group, Mr. Sainath's leadership continues to significantly contribute to the growth of Indian automobile industry. His vision and strategic insights have been instrumental in shaping the future of the automotive sector. His commitment to excellence positions him as a true leader in the industry. Let's welcome with a round of applause Mr. Sainath.
Will you address and give us the blessing for 2 minutes?
Hello. Thank you so much for introducing me, and thank you so much, Rotary, entire members, the jury, dais, seniors, for giving me this honor to address all of you in such a wonderful occasion. have been already introduced by the gentleman. We are actually a driving force in the mobility for almost about 4 decades now. As already told you that we are driving the mobility through our various brands like Toyota, Skoda, Honda, MG and Tata. So normally what happens is, you can give speech when it's a general occasion, but to address so many women in one room, you don't have words to speak. So, but then we are here to celebrate your contribution and your achievements in various fields, and there are leaders here, caregivers here, and various activists. So you have done a wonderful job in your field, and your achievement has definitely been shaping the communities and driving the progress. And communities at large nowadays are actually empowering the women in various facets of life, and that can be seen from the attendance which is right now here, which is of the full house. So a great congratulations to all of you. You have been doing a wonderful job. Keep shaping this particular industry and the society, and my big congratulations to all the achievers and the winners of today evening. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I would like to call upon Nutan. She's a trustee of Pratibimba Foundation, to introduce our Dolly ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are having a great time. Congratulations to all the ladies and main here for being and supporting all the women. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to introduce on behalf of Rotary Club of Amara, Pratibimba Foundation, for this Rotary Vocational Excellence Award, ROEX Award 2025, the renowned theatre personality Ms. Dolly Thakur, a veteran of Indian theatre. Dolly ma'am has been instrumental in promoting and nurturing the art form of over 4 decades. Who doesn't know Dolly ma'am? So as an actress, producer and theatre activist, Dolly ma'am has been associated with numerous iconic productions and has worked with some of the most esteemed names in the Indian theatre. Her tireless efforts to promote theatre and provide a platform for emerging talent have been earned numerous accolades and recognition. Please join us in welcoming the renowned Dolly Thakur ma'am. So Dolly Thakur ma'am, I request you to say a few words and address the audience. Today we have all these distinguished ladies who have achieved many things in life and many subjects they have been pioneered. So may I request Dolly ma'am to say a few words to the audience.
I'll start.
I've waited a long time to speak to all of you. But my congratulations to every single woman who has won today and who is here today. Because I went through the book, I read every single word, and my God, the kind of achievements that they have done, I never even dreamt about it. I've only used my voice and my hands to attract people's attention. But the kind of work that they have been doing behind the scenes, I mean, you know, I never met a Vastu Shastra woman, and she was sitting next to me. I haven't met so many. There are anthropologists, historians, writers, poets, you know, I mean, a lot of other things that anestheticists, and areas that I didn't even think about that women were entering. And I was so thrilled that these are women of Thane who have come this far. And I was very, very impressed. So thank you very much for inviting me to this. I've met a lot of people. I've smiled a lot. They've smiled back at me. While they were sitting there, they didn't have smiles on their faces. But I did. and I am very happy to be here with all of you. I'm afraid I don't know your VIPs, but I met them, and I hope that Dinesh Bhai won't forget me now, because I've been prodding him right through the meeting. And your VIP from the government, I don't know him, but he's a bacha compared to me. I am 82 years old. But I hope that all of you will get the same kind of energy, the same kind of inspiration that I have done for all these years, and that my grandchildren, I don't have any yet, but I hope that whenever I do, that they will take example from you. Thank you very much.
I would like to invite Rotarian Mansi Nissal to the podium to call upon the second set of awardees on the stage.
Good evening all. Actually, it's my honor to share the dais with such esteemed dignitaries. Thank you all of you. So let's take this evening ahead with the distribution of awards. It's my pleasure to welcome Dr. Kanchan Jaiwan, a passionate healer, social crusader, a dedicated dentist and compassionate social worker. Her association with Rotary began in 2012-13 and she had been the president of Thane, Rotary Club Thane, Greenspans in the year 2021-22. One of her most commendable contribution was spearheading the construction of a school for Adivasi children in Mahuli, Shahpur. Let's give her a big applause. A dynamic professional with a strong background in commerce and finance, having served with Medical Private Limited, a company dedicated to pharmaceuticals. Her commitment to social causes led her to Rotary International. As the president of Rotary Club of Thane North for the year 2024-25, she has embraced the opportunity to lead impactful projects.
मॅडम मध्ये इकडे बघा
Now it's time to recognize someone who is inspirational and has earned many awards, Mrs. Sheetal Joshi. For her exceptional work, she has been honored with several prestigious awards, including MCCI Women Entrepreneurs Award in 2003, Thane Gaurav Puraskar in 2006, Udyog Vaibhav Puraskar, and multiple recognitions from Rotary Club for excellence in real estate and social work. It's our honor to award her today. Please give her the big round of applause.
इकडे बघा मॅडम इकडे बघा
Today we are celebrating excellence and the next awardee is someone who has truly set the bar high. It's my honor to invite Mrs. Nutan Kasbazev to the and I don't think her introduction is required here. Her independent label Mungaj cements her identity as a visionary designer. The next woman we are honored about to honor is a true inspiration whose passion and perseverance have led to the outstanding success in her personal and professional life. Let's welcome Mrs. Sangeeta Kapoor, whose passion for education led her to pursue a diploma in child counseling. She has conducted 100 free seminars for mothers of young children, empowering them to nurture their children's unique strengths. Please give a big round of applause and join me in welcoming Dr. Bhagyashree Kharwandikar, a PhD holder in chemistry and currently serving BARC as scientific assistant. She completed second MSc in nanoscience in 2014 from Mumbai University, where she secured first rank in BARC. Let's give her a big round of applause. Please encourage all our awardees. We have the privilege of honoring someone whose dedication and commitment to the society have truly stood out. Please join me in welcoming Mrs. Ruta Kolvekar. Ruta's journey in social work began with Innerville Club of Ulhasnagar, where she served in various leadership roles. She was elected as president twice in 1990-91 and 2003-2004. Let's put our hands together and welcome Mrs. Leena Kore, instilled with a deep respect for education and discipline. Mrs. Leena Kore, while gaining valuable experience in technology, she realized that her true calling lay in education, and then Real Academy was formed.
नमस्कार. आपण कोणती गोष्ट ठरवली की ती गोष्ट पूर्ण होते. गोष्ट आहे का जिद्दीची, गोष्ट आहे मनीषा मॅडमची. मनीषा मॅडमनी असं हिंदीमध्ये म्हणतात की किसी चीज को तुम पूरी दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुम्हें मिलाने में लग जाती है. मॅडमने ठरवलं, एक संकल्प केला की मला एक पुस्तक लिहायचं आहे. त्यामध्ये ठाण्यामधल्या 50 बायकांची गोष्ट लिहायची आहे. नमसा बंद झाला म्हणजे अजून जास्त दिलं निसर्गाने. आणि त्यांचं डेडिकेशन, सकाळी उठून त्यांनी सगळ्यांचा नीट फॉलोअप घेतला. आणि वी हॅव टू गिव्ह अ बिग हँड टू मनीषा मॅडम. हा सगळा प्रोग्राम हा एका बाईच्या जिद्दीची गोष्ट आहे. अँड वी सॅल्यूट हर, वी शुड सॅल्यूट हर. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Now awardee, Mrs. Madhavi Kulkarni. I think she is not present here. But she has been a retired vice principal and was a mentor to many students. Let's move ahead. Let's welcome our next awardee, who is also in the field of education and is the principal of C.P. Goenka International School, Thane. Is she here? Okay. Yeah. I think Mrs. Jayashri Mane, she is also absent. She also has been the Rotarian and she is not well, that is why she couldn't attend program today. The next woman we are about to honor, Mrs. Vibhavari Pandekar Mani, is a true inspiration whose passion and determination to overcome health challenges have led to outstanding success. In 2018, the turning point came in her life during a trip to Shimla. A health check revealed high cholesterol and now doctor suggested walk. Now she has done Pinkathon and she is named as Pinkathon Ambassador. Let's give her a big round of applause. Let's give a huge round of applause and welcome Mrs. Manisha Manek to the stage. She pursued a BSc in Home Science, majoring in Human Development from the prestigious Nirmala Niketan College under Mumbai University. She actively contributed to the Innerville and Rotary Club of Ulhasnagar. She has held the key positions as a president, treasurer and secretary. Please give her a big hand. We have the privilege of honoring someone whose dedication, hard work and commitment have truly stood out. Mrs. Dhanlakshmi Nakua. Recently she has launched Ration, a premium dry fruit retail business, leveraging her brother's expertise in sourcing high quality products from APMC market. I am happy to inform all of you that she is all of you must have seen that she is very active member of Rotary Club of Amara Thane. And she is secretary-elect of Rotary Club of Amara Thane. Please give her a big hand. We are celebrating excellence and the next awardee is Mrs. Neha Nimbalkar. She is someone who has truly set the bar high in fashion industry. She has been designing to industries and Marathi actresses such as Nirmiti Sawant, Neelam Shirke and Sonali Kulkarni. Please join me in welcoming a vibrant woman with a youthful spirit, Dr. Sumati Patil, the owner of Aromatic Chemical Company. She is a recipient of India Pride Award, Nelson Mandela Peace Award and an honorary doctorate from Mother Teresa University, USA. Her book, Polisanchi Mai, published by Thane Police Commissioner, reflects her deep engagement with law and enforcement. She has been active member of Rotary Club of Ambarnath, participating in numerous activities. Please give her a big round of applause. Let's welcome our new awardee, Mrs. Pallavi Fauzdar, who has made lasting impact in environmental technology. With a master's degree in environmental science from Mumbai University and diploma in pollution control technology, she has spent decades in working towards betterment of the environment. She was a She was a part of GAR committee from 1992 to 96, commissioned by Indian government. It's my pleasure to invite Dr. Priyata Priyadarshini, who has done her doctorate in management from ITM University, Raipur. Currently, she serves as full-time faculty member in Human Resource Management at Bharati Vidyapit's Institute of Management Studies and Research, Navi Mumbai. She currently holds the esteemed position of the President at the Rotary Club of Navi Mumbai, Hillside.
Now I would like to invite towards the next set of award, and it's full of purpose and excitement. I would like to call upon Mansi Mohan Nizal on the dais. She is a pillar of true resilience, excellence and balance. She stands an inspiration for women who aspire to excel in their career without compromising on their personal responsibilities.
सर्वांनी हातात पुस्तक घ्या.
I would like to call upon Jayashree Solanki. She's a dynamic force of change, seamlessly balancing her roles as an entrepreneur, social reformer and philanthropist with 24 years of experience in social and public service. She's a trailblazer in leadership, empowerment and community service. Shireen.
Madam. Solanki madam.
I would like to call upon Dr. Vidya Rathod,
Madera.
a yet profound. Always remain positive, never give up, stay focused on your goals. Welcome you, a trailblazer in life, service and entrepreneurship. I would like to call upon Dr. Devilna Roy, a trailblazer in education and social change. She has received numerous prestigious awards.
इकडे बघा, स्माइल द्या.
And I would like to invite Mittal Sangrajke on the stage. She is a woman of vision, versatility and values. She is a dynamic force who has seamlessly blended education, entrepreneurship and community leadership. I will call upon Devilna Roy once again, a real trailblazer in education and social change. She has received numerous prestigious awards. I would like to invite Mittal Sangrajke on the stage. She is a woman of vision, versatility and values. She is a dynamic force who has seamlessly blended education, entrepreneurship and community leadership while staying deeply rooted in her cultural heritage. I would like to call upon Shruti Sen Sharma, a trailblazer in education and social service. Our next awardee is Dr. Yashoda Nandasamy. Yashoda Nandasamy. And I would like to call upon Tasnim Sayed. Tasnim Sayed, a trailblazer in education, technology and social service. She is a true change maker.
Hello.
Next I would like to call upon Sudha Shankar Narayan, a true leader in hospitality industry, and she has been a Rotarian for decades. Our next awardee is Dr. Kiran Shinde. Dr. Kiran Shinde. Is he? I would like to call upon Chetna Singh. Welcome, ma'am. And her life is dedicated to women health and empowerment. I would like to call upon Chetna Singh. I would like to call upon Chetna Singh. And I would like to call upon Rita Som. Rita Som. Rita Som is a woman who has broken barriers and redefined success through her dedication to education, entrepreneurship and communication. I would like to call upon Dr. Shraddha Soman. Dr. Shraddha Soman. Dr. Shraddha Soman, please come on the dais. She leads a life of resilience, leadership and service. Our next body is Dr. Shushma Tomar. Dr. Shushma Tomar. A trailblazer in healthcare and a social impactor. And I would like to call upon Shraddha Vasi. Shraddha Vasi. Sadhana. A beacon of light for the visually impaired and underprivileged. I would like to call upon Helena Virani. Helena Virani. Helena Virani. Welcome, ma'am. A trailblazer in healthcare and a social impact.
ये बेटा
Now I would like to call upon Dr. Aparna Valenji. Dr. Aparna Valenji. A trailblazer in healthcare and community service.
इकडे बघा
I would like to call upon Dr. Aparna Valenji, a trailblazer in healthcare and Now I would like to invite Rotarian Surekha Satlapur to introduce our guest, Ms. Deepali Syed. and to receive blessings from Deepali ma'am.
Good evening all. I hope you all are enjoying and feel like a star. It is our privilege today to welcome a woman of remarkable talent and compassion, Mrs. Deepali Bhosle Saiyad. Thank you. A renowned actress in Marathi and Bhojpuri cinema, she has been honored with prestigious awards including the Maharashtra State Award and the Dadasaheb Phalke Puraskar. Beyond the silver screen, Deepali is a dedicated social reformer. Her charitable initiatives have transformed lives. For organizing Maharashtra's first women's wrestling competition to leading disaster relief efforts and supporting underprivileged communities. She has played a major role in empowering women, providing education and uplifting those in need through her charitable trust. Deepali's leadership extended to her role as Mahila President of Shiv Sangram, and where she championed social justice recognized globally. She holds the title of Icon Ambassador of the World Book of Record and been awarded a doctorate in public administration for her contribution in society. Today we celebrate not just an artist but a change maker whose work aligned with Rotary's vision of service above self. Let us welcome Deepali Bhosle Saiyad with a warm round of applause.
एक मिनट पर फोन
जय महाराष्ट्र सगळ्यांना. आपल्या वेगवेगळ्या भूमिकेमध्ये प्रत्येक स्त्री, आई, ताई, मुलगी, पत्नी हे सगळे रोल जी निभवते आणि निस्वार्थपणे निभवते त्या प्रत्येक स्त्रीला माझा मानाचा मुजरा आणि महिला दिनाच्या त्यांना सगळ्यांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. जिच्या आत अंश असतो आणि तिच्याचमुळे या जगामध्ये वंश येतो त्या लाडक्या बहिणीला अखंड महिला दिनाच्या शुभेच्छा. रिअली मला सगळ्यांना बघताना आणि प्रत्येकाचं अचीवमेंट बघताना ऊर धरून येतोय, कारण प्रत्येक जण आपला एक गोल घेऊन चाललेला असतो. प्रत्येक स्त्री ही एखाद्या घरात जन्माला येते आणि ती मोठी होते, आई वडिलांच्या पंखाखाली वाढते आणि नंतर आफ्टर सम एज ती सासरी जाते आणि तिथे गेल्यानंतर तिकडे पंखाखाली राहते नवऱ्याच्या, आणि नवऱ्याने जर सपोर्ट केला तर मग ती उडते. त्याच्यामुळे मला आता काही काही नवरे दिसत आहेत, काही काही पॅरेंट्स दिसत आहेत, असं मला वाटतं की त्यांच्यामुळे पण का होईना आज तुम्ही ह्या अवॉर्डचे भागीदारी आहात, त्यामुळे त्यांच्यासाठी सुद्धा एकदा जोरात टाळ्या होऊ द्या. रोटरी क्लबचं खूप कौतुक. स्टेजवर सगळे मान्यवर होते ते आता सध्या गेलेले आहेत, पण अजूनही आहेत. मनीषा, आम्ही कॉल मनीषा, शी इज अ यंग लेडी, डायनामिक लेडी. ही मला जेव्हा मला भेटली ना तेव्हा मला तिने सांगितलंय की माझ्या प्रोग्रामला बोलवणार आहे, यायचं कोच, कधीही बोलव, मी येणार, कधीही सांग. आणि मला काल ह्या 2-3 दिवसापासून जेव्हा फोन केला तेव्हा मी डेफिनेटली सांगितलं होतं की मी येणार म्हणून. माझं जेव्हा मी म्हणाली मी येणार तर मी येणार. आणि सो मनीषा, आय डोंट नो खरंच की तू एवढं काही म्हणजे ह्या 55 लेडीज तर आहेतच, त्याच्यावर बुक पण लिहिलेत. माय गॉड, तुला खरंच मनापासून खरंच कौतुक आहे ना, कौतुक आहे ना, कौतुक आहे. म्हणजे एखादी गोष्ट आपण जेव्हा ठरवतो आणि ती करायचं म्हटलं आणि ती फुलफिल होते म्हटल्यानंतर किती छान वाटतंय. सो इथे आलेल्या प्रत्येक लेडीच्या चेहऱ्यावरचं हास्य, त्यांनी केलेलं काम, त्याच्या कामातून मिळालेली पोच पावती, ती शाबाशी आणि त्याच्यानंतर ती बुकमध्ये का पुस्तकाबद्दल लिहिलं जाईल, तर किती मोठी गोष्ट आहे माहिती का तुम्हाला. आणि ते काम पूर्ण तुम्ही जे केले त्याला पूर्तता मनीषा देते. सो तिच्यासाठी हॅट्स ऑफ, जेव्हा जोरात टाळ्या होते. आणि मला खरंच आय एम हॅपी की मला इथे बोलवलं. रोटरी क्लबचे आम्ही बरेच कार्यक्रम अटेंड केलेले आहेत, आधी पण केलेले आहेत, पण कलाकार असताना मानधन घेऊन आम्ही जायचो. सो आता एक महिला सपोर्ट केल्याशिवाय महिला पुढे जाऊ शकत नाही. आणि हे मी ठरवलंय की जिथे महिला उभी असेल त्या महिलेच्या कामासाठी नक्कीच सपोर्ट करायचं आणि त्यांना सपोर्ट करत घेऊन चालायचं. सो त्यामुळे इथे आलेल्या प्रत्येक महिलांना माझ्याकडनं महिला दिनाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. रोजच आपला महिला दिन असतो, त्यामुळे तरी देखील उद्याचा दिवस हा खूप महत्त्वाचा दिवस आहे. त्यामुळे एन्जॉय युअर डे आणि थँक्यू सो मच इथं मला बोलवलं आणि तुमच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला पुरस्कृत करण्याचा मान दिल्याबद्दल मी मनापासून तुमचे आभार मानते. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you so much, Dipali ma'am. Thank you so much. And now I would like to call the convener of the event, Surekha Sadlapur, to give the vote of thanks and observation.
लेडीज, ये शो कैसा होगा, कैसा चालू होगा, कैसे खत्म होगा. हम लोग 2 दिन से सोच रहे थे कि ऑल 55 स्टार्स को हम लोग कैसे फेलिसिटेट करेंगे. सो ये इतना अच्छे से होगा ऐसा सोचा नहीं था. बहुत अच्छे से और बहुत कोऑपरेट किया आप लोगों ने भी. सो दिल से शुक्रिया. As we reach the end of the wonderful event, I extend my heartful gratitude to everyone who made it possible. We are also deeply grateful our esteemed guest, DG Rotarian Dinesh Mehta, First Lady Jyoti ma'am, Sri Naresh Maskeji, Dr. Neelam Gore, Mr. B. Sainath, Mrs. Dolly Thakur, Mrs. Dipali Bhosle Sayyed, for gracing with the occasion with their presence. A special thank to our Dolly Madam for writing a beautiful foreword for our book. My sincere appreciation to Rotarian Manisha Tai, to her unwavering guidance to every step for this event. I also extended my gratitude to Dr. Shobha Devi for the invaluable support. We are immensely thankful for Pratibimba Foundation, Impact Academy Skill Development for their generous backing of this event. Special thanks to all our sponsors and their wholehearted support. To all our contributors, dedications and hard work, we have brought this book to life, and we deeply appreciate for your efforts. Lastly, while I won't take individual names, but my Rotary Club of Amara, all members, thank you very much for supporting for these books. While I want to take individual names, my heartful gratitude goes to my Rotary Club of Amara family. Your tireless commitment over the past month has been instrumental in making this event great. Sincerely, secretarial announcement. All Rotarians, total 50 Rotarians. Non-Rotarians there is a 16. Total goes to 120. So thank you all very much. So मैं अनाउंस करूँगी कि सभी को 5 बुक्स हर अवार्डीज को दिए जा रहे हैं, तो प्लीज collect the book. And अभी हम लोग केक कटिंग करने वाले हैं, so please all awardees please come ahead for the cake cutting. और गणपति का एक सबको गिफ्ट है, सबके नाम का किया, तो वो भी कलेक्ट करना. थैंक यू सो मच.